what is up, and thank you for watching one of my videos. I'm Stephanie, just in case you did not know. And in today's video is the quick and simple back to school, back to work, whatever the case may be. Quick and simple looks, and we just put like some little curls in there with I want to say it's like 1.5 inch barrel, just some real quick and easy curls. As you can see, they're already falling. This hair does not hold a curl very well, but it's okay because it just gives this real like effortless look, which is what we're going for. So you can do this look with or without lashes. I just popped in some Ardell lashes just because I don't have any lashes. All in all, this look will take about 30 minutes to do between the hair and the makeup. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. While you're subscribing, don't forget to check the description box down below. That'll have all the products listed. Won't be that many, but they'll be there. Also, don't forget to sign off in the comments. Let me know what you think about the look. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that bell button because that notifies you every time I do an upload rather than just occasionally. As you can see, it's dark outside now, and it's going to be bright outside when you see this video, and that's only because when I pinned my hair, I got to talking, I got to walking around, the cats started arguing. It was just a lot going on, so it was a big gap between taking hair down, changing shirts, and the actual like process of it. So that's why you see it's dark now, but it's bright. It is. I promise you, it did not take long at all. Like, it literally takes like 20 minutes. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm rambling, don't know what else to say. So toodaloo, bye guys. Mwah.
Hey guys, so we are starting off barefaced, and we're jumping straight into the look. So we're going to be doing our eyebrows. Now, like, this look is honestly super duper, I'm a goofy goober, simple, like hella simple. All this is eyebrows, foundation, and then contour, highlight. No, I'm just kidding. But it really is simple. It really just, to me, the main focus of the look is the brows. So I really took my time. Well, I take my time on my brows just in general, just because your girl hasn't been cleaning them regularly. So I have to just make sure that they look presentable and not like, you know, Wolverine by the face. So I'm just going in now. I used my ColourPop Brow Boss pencil in the color dark brown, and now I'm just cleaning them up with the Fenty Beauty 300 number 300 liquid concealer, and just cleaning them up. I typically do top and bottom with my eyebrows, giving that nice good old nasty halo eyebrow. You know when you know. And we're gonna go ahead and just pop them bad boys on. Now I am gonna go ahead and color correct just because I was looking a little dark. I had to get my little goatee hidden, and now I'm finna now I am about to, let me speak the King's English. But now I am going to do under my eyes, just to get those bags. They have been really deep set lately. I really need to get some sleep before the semester starts next week, and I really am not gonna get any sleep. But anywho, we are going to buff all that in like we just saw, and we're using these two foundations today. This is the number 500 from Juvia's Place, and then Caramel from Milk. I should have put more caramel than milk with this, but it's okay, we're here now, it is what it is. But this look is super duper simple. Like I said in my intro, you can do this in about 30 minutes tops, and that's hair and makeup. It's just something real simple, real effortless, just to show the girls that, you know, you've been here. Sis, I got you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let them know I'm here. I am studious. I am the boss. You know what I'm saying? So we just gotta make it a little 1-2, let the girls know that we are here. And just make sure that we look alive. We don't have to look homeless every day. you know, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we can do this, and then Tuesday, Thursday, or Monday through Thursday. Let's do that. Monday through Thursday, we can look. No. Tuesday through Friday, we can do this, because Monday is just Monday. Girl, that's a whole monster by itself. And so we're just gonna make sure that we look like somebody. You can wear this to work. You can wear this, like I said, to class. This is what this is, a class look. Or you can even wear it to, run errands. Just be out and about in the day. Just so that way, even if you go run into Walmart, they won't catch you slipping. You know how it is. The one day that you decide to walk out the house looking homeless, you run into everybody. So at least this is like cute homeless. Like, this is like shelter homeless. So anyway, we are gonna go in, you already saw the face, so we're buffing in the concealer now. It was the Born This Way concealer in the color golden beige, and we're just buffing that in with a damp beauty blender. And I'm working that all the way up into my eyebrow, just because my lids are extremely dark. I have like raccoon eyes. I have the perfect circle, like dark circles, so I went ahead and pushed that all the way up into my brow bone, just to give it like a nice clean base. And then we're going to go ahead and set. Now I'm just setting my actual eyelids, but I'm baking underneath my eyes, just to help with creasing and all that good stuff. So like I said, I'm baking underneath my eyes and then setting my actual eyelids. Normally, as you've seen in previous videos, I will put some type of shadow on my eyes too, just to give my eyes some kind of dimension. I am not doing that today. There's absolutely not one shadow in this look. It's strictly just being boom, bam, boom. We're in a rush. We gotta go. So I let that sit on my face probably like 2 or 3 minutes, not that long, honestly. And I'm gonna go ahead and just dust. Oh, dusty ass. I'm gonna go ahead and just dust away the powder, and just make sure that everything is nice and pushed in and all that good stuff. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. These are the Ardell lashes. Now, sorry, if you have lashes, skip this step. Just put on some mascara and then walk out the door. If you have lashes longer than mine, put on some mascara and walk out the door. I just put on these really thin lashes just to make it look like I have some type of lash. But normally, you can just, if you have lashes, you can get away with this without having to put on lashes. I just don't have any. You can just do this with strictly mascara if you please. I'm just not that girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. I put way too much bronzer on. I don't know what was happening. I just got wrist happy and was just swirling that thing around, swirling that brush around. So I went back in with the clean brush. That's what the pink brush is. It's just a clean, it was supposed to be a blush brush, but I haven't used it. And then I went in with my sponge just to like diffuse that, because it was looking real draggish. So we're gonna go ahead and set the bronzer on our face, and while that's setting, we're gonna go ahead and contour our nose. Now, the contour on my nose and underneath my mouth, I use the Fenty Beauty Islanding. I don't use the Kylie Cosmetics one, which is what we use on our face. Sometimes I do, most of the time I don't. So my lips were hella cakey. I just put way too much foundation on them. So I'm going in with just a baby wipe, and I'm going to go ahead and just remove all the product from my lips, and then I'm going to go ahead and swoosh away the excess powder from underneath our bronzer. And then I think we're moving on to lips. Nope, I lied. We're going to go ahead and set our face. Psych. We're going to go ahead and set our face. I'm literally going to drown myself in spray, and I have absolutely no idea why. And I don't know why I do this, and it, like, when I look at myself watching this back, I realize that I'm using way too much. But when I'm like spraying it on myself, I don't feel it. So I feel like I just need to keep spraying until I feel it. You know what I'm saying? So I just be overly dramatic, basically, is the moral of the story. I went ahead and highlighted with the Amrezy highlight from who is it by? Anastasia, as usual. I am now going in with Nutmeg from the NYX Suede lip liner collection, and then this is Uncuffed by Fenty Beauty, the liquid lipstick. I forgot what she calls them, but it's the liquid lipstick in like that series, and it's uncuffed. And I'm gonna go ahead and just push that in with my lips and all that good stuff. And this is honestly my favorite nude to ever do. It's this combination. It's a brown lip liner, then this and this liquid lipstick. Favorite. So we're moving on to the hair part of the process now. I went ahead and finally took that bonnet off, y'all. Look, I was over here looking like a freaking chef. But anyway, speaking of chef, y'all, I am missing MasterChef. Missed the whole first 3 minutes. Anyway, that's not the moral of the story. So we're gonna go ahead and curl our hair. What I'm doing on the bottom, well, for the entire hair except for the bang part, as you saw, I had the clip down instead of facing up. So I clip my hair, and I don't really honestly know which direction that goes. I guess that's like away from the face is what I'm assuming. I am not the best person when it comes to curling like with the actual clamp. I'm more of a wand person, but it's faster to do it with the clamp. So here we are, and I'm trying to, like, you know, adventure out and do new things, but y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, but it looks like I'm doing something, so I'm okay with it. And I am going to just keep curling my hair, and just keep feeding it in and all that good stuff. And we're just gonna have to just fast forward through this part, because this is really just redundant. Okay, so right here, as you saw, I have the clamp facing upwards now, and this is going to give the illusion of going towards the face. So as you see, the curl is actually a little different, and that's going to help with the actual like swooping of the hair, and so just to give a difference. So we went ahead and curled our hair. I redid the bang, as you saw, because it fell while doing the other side. Like, this hair does not hold a curl. Like, I don't know what it is about me and like the hair that I get. I only order body wave type of hair so it can hold a curl, and every hair that I get doesn't hold a curl. Like, I just have bad luck with that. But anyway, it didn't hold a curl, so I had to recurl it, and I pinned it and I let it cool down. That's why you can see it's dark outside now. But as you can see, like how it curves towards my face, that's why I went ahead and curled the hair with the barrel facing upwards towards the top of my head. And so that's it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We are done. Slow-mos are here. Went ahead and went into a regular shirt. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. I hope you guys rock your semester coming up. High school, college, masters, whatever you're doing, may you succeed, girl. I'm behind you 100%. I am in your corner. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.